Plenty of simple side hustles are available that don't require any prior experience, a fixed time commitment, or specific ability. One of them is watching videos. It's a lot simpler than you might think to earn money by watching videos. Since most of your free time will be spent online watching videos, clips, and advertisements, it's a no-brainer option to make a little bit more cash, don't you think? Whether you're trying to pay off debt, fund a significant purchase, or just want a reasonable side business, watching movies online is a viable alternative for making extra money. We'll go over the greatest ways to watch videos for money in today's video. Get paid $80 every 10 minutes for watching videos. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. To get started, look for websites and apps that offer videos that you may watch for free. As long as you're willing to comply with the site's terms of service and terms of registration, you're good to go. In addition to getting paid to watch movies, several of these sites will also pay you for completing surveys or taking part in challenges, so be sure to check them all out. Referral or sign-up bonuses may be offered by some of these companies too. In general, most sites pay out in cash. However, there are a few that only allow you to redeem your profits for gift cards or other comparable benefits. Like most online occupations, the amount of money you make is directly related to the amount of work you put into it. Many applications and websites pay between $100 and $200 per month if you watch videos regularly. You should expect to generate less money if your video watching habits are more erratic. There are many ways to get extra money, but if you do this regularly, you can earn up to $150 every month. Have you got a tablet, a laptop, or smartphone on you at all times? Pay-to-watch video sites and apps can be found in the app stores of your choice. Now, these are different sites to get paid watching videos online. First and foremost, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website where you may earn money. To date, customers have received approximately $348 million in cash and gift cards from Swagbucks, which launched in 2010. Choose from one or more of the many Swagbucks watch categories to earn money viewing videos. You'll find playlists with between 15 and 30 videos, ranging in duration from under 30 minutes to an hour when you select a topic like entertainment, food, or fashion. Points can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash when you watch playlists. Complete surveys, try out new goods, and use the Swagbucks search engine if you'd like to earn more money on the site. A $10 sign-up bonus is also offered as an incentive for new users to sign up for the program. Secondly, Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars has given out more than $50 million to its users since its inception in the year 2000. Like Swagbucks, you can earn money by watching videos from a variety of categories, such as movie trailers or product demonstrations. Playing online games, reading sponsored emails, and downloading coupons can help you earn extra money too. Creating an account with Inbox Dollars also entitles you to a $5 welcome bonus. Another is MyPoints. Watching films on a desktop browser or a mobile app like MyPoints TV can earn you money with MyPoints. The only thing you need to do to get points that can be exchanged for gift cards, cash, or travel points is to watch a playlist until its end. You can only earn 500 points each day by watching movies on MyPoints, so keep that in mind if you decide to do so. However, if you do other chores like printing coupons, playing games, or taking surveys, you can earn even more money. Signing up for MyPoints is simple, and it comes with a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card as a welcome bonus. Your name and email address are all that's required. Number 4. Nielsen panel on computers and mobile devices. An analytics firm called Nielsen provides TV ratings around the world. They will pay you $50 a year to watch whatever you want online. Creating an account is as simple as downloading the app itself and filling out a few fields. As a Nielsen TV rating viewer, you'll be submitting some of your browsing data to the company, including the websites you visited and how long you spent on each. You may also be eligible for monthly sweepstakes in addition to the $50 annual award. The corporation distributes $10,000 to 400 winners. If you want to receive more awards, you can register numerous devices. However, the extra rewards aren't evident. This is not the same as having a Nielsen TV household. While the computer and mobile panel is open to anybody over the age of 18, you must be selected for that program. Number 5. Earnably. It's possible to make money by watching videos on Earnably. You must watch both movies and a specified amount of advertisements on its partner site, Hideout.tv, to earn credits that can be redeemed for cash or e-gift cards. As they appear to be regular TV commercials, the ad claims they are easy to identify. As soon as you sign up for both Hideout.tv and Earnably, the two sites should automatically link so you can withdraw your rewards. However, your points from Hideout.tv will need to be manually transferred over to Earnably. By recommending friends and relatives to the site using your unique referral link, you can earn additional points. 10% of their earnings will be yours if they sign up. Promo codes and other forms of bonuses that Earnably extends to its customers never expire, so you can always earn more money. Lastly, Creations Rewards. With Creations Rewards, you may go to the video section of the website and watch a list of videos to earn points. To earn the points, you must watch the video in its entirety. However, the points value will not be revealed until you have completed watching it. You can do this as many times as you like because the number of points you can earn in a day is unlimited. Redeeming the daily bonus, taking surveys, and trying products and services are all other ways to earn points. You can also earn 10% of your friends' and family's earnings by referring them too. There's even a shopping site where you can get cash back and rebates when you shop online at places like Walmart, Dunkin' Donuts, Shutterfly, and Udemy. You can exchange your points for e-gift cards, and to keep your account active, you must earn at least 100 points every 6 months. If you have a long commute or are trapped at the doctor's office, you can get money by watching videos. One strategy to boost your revenue is to set a daily reminder on your phone to check for new videos. Another strategy is to focus on the sites that provide the most value for your time. Try out a few of these apps and websites to see which ones work best for you. Keep in mind that you can join many sites at one time, thereby boosting your earnings even more. We've come to the end of the video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, kindly like and subscribe to our channel so you can receive more engaging content in the future. And don't forget to turn on that notification button too. We'll see you soon.